to my channel. My name's Sélah. I'm a Michigan blogger and YouTuber. So my fiance Ryan, who you guys have seen on my channel many times, he is Filipino, but he's actually in Jerusalem right now on a trip with his mom. So I wanted to do something nice for when he gets back, and I wanted to make one of his favorite soups. I have actually made this soup before, but it was like right when we first started dating. That was like about 3.5 years ago. I have a blog post on it if you guys want to check it out right here, and it will be linked down below for you guys. I am making chicken sotanghon. I hope I'm saying that right. I might be butchering it, but I'm trying. But like I said, I have made it before, so we're gonna surprise him when he gets home from his trip tonight, and we're gonna have one of his favorite soups made. So if you guys want to see how I made this soup, obviously I am not Filipino, but I'm going to follow the recipe that I've made on my blog before and see how it turns out. So if you guys want to see how I make it, then please keep watching, and if you do enjoy this, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you never miss a video. For those of you guys that have been following me, then you know that I do a lot of Filipino cooking videos as well as tasting videos on my channel. So if you guys want to check that out, if you're not subscribed already, please consider doing so. I would love to have you guys. And without further ado, let's make some Filipino sotanghon soup. So I did pick up some ingredients from my local grocery store and the Asian market in my area. So as always, whenever I do these cooking videos with my friend Joe or by myself, I'm always open to suggestions. Obviously everyone makes things different ways or how their family likes to make it. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I learned to make it, and if you guys think that there's a better way to make it or you have suggestions, as always, please leave them down below. I'm always open to learning. So the first things that I obviously have some chicken breast. I like to use bigger chicken breasts, and then I have some sliced shiitake mushrooms. I have chicken broth. I like to use the low sodium chicken broth, as well as fish sauce. I usually use the fish sauce that my fiance has, but he's not home right now, and this is obviously a surprise, so I picked this up. So I'm not sure, this just says premium fish sauce. I got it at the Asian market, so I hope that works well. Then I also picked up some green onions, a sweet yellow onion. I have all of my seasonings like the garlic, the olive oil, pepper, salt, white pepper, and then I also have the rice noodles. So I'm gonna use this whole pack of rice noodles, and I hope it turns out well. Last time I made it, it turned out super yummy, but this time I'm like completely making it by myself without having to ask anyone for any suggestions or ask him, because last time he kind of like walked me through it, but this time I'm just gonna try to make it all by myself. So let's see how it turns out. So first we're gonna start off by filling some hot water into a bowl. That way we're gonna soak our noodles for about 15 minutes to get them softened. Then this recipe only takes a little bit of prep, so we're going to take that sweet yellow onion and just chop that up. This was actually a smaller onion, so I ended up using the entire thing. Next, we're going to take the shiitake mushrooms. They were actually already chopped up for me, so I just added them into a little bowl and set those aside. Then we're going to chop up our green onions. These are used for the garnish of the soup, and they also give it a little bit of flavor as well. After the 15 minutes are up and the noodles are soaked, we're just going to add them into a strainer. By the way, how cute is my strainer? It's a little pig. So we're just going to strain those out in the sink. So I'm just following the recipe on my blog, SelahChristine.com, if you guys want to check it out. Like I said, I have made this soup before. So I'm just going to follow this because this is what I did before and it turned out really yummy, but suggestions are always welcome if I should add or take away something, so let me know. Then we're going to prepare our chicken. I used 2 large chicken breasts, and then you're just going to dice those up. into smaller pieces. That way it's easier to eat. You can use more chicken, less chicken, just depends on the serving size. I just use 2 full chicken breasts. Next, we're gonna add some olive oil and some minced garlic into a pot and heat that up on medium heat. I already used this garlic that was already minced. You can use like 2 full garlic cloves is what it's supposed to come out to. I just find it easier to cook this way. It's less prep and less messy. Then I added in my onions and stirred those around until they are translucent. Then we're gonna add in our chicken breasts. And add the shiitake mushrooms, as well as 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Then you're gonna need about 8 full cups of chicken broth. Add in some white pepper. I used regular pepper as well as salt. I will have all the exact measurements linked in my blog post down below for you guys so it's easier. And then just stir that around and you're gonna bring that to a boil. Once the soup is boiling, we're gonna add in our rice noodles and cook for about 5 minutes. Now that the soup is ready, I'm just gonna plate it and wait for my fiance to get home. I'm so excited for him to try it, and this recipe actually turned out so delicious. I love this soup. Okay, so now that we've made the soup, let's do a quick taste test. It smells amazing. You can definitely smell the fish sauce, and I love these type of noodles. So good. So good. If you guys did enjoy this Filipino cooking video, it's a little bit different because I did cook this by myself, but I hope my fiance loves it. I love it. I think it tastes amazing. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more Filipino cooking videos. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Moment of truth. Does it taste normal? Does it taste right?
It's so good. I could eat this every day. This is amazing.
Good.